Hello, and welcome back to Learn English One Word at a Time. Episode 2. Today is all about colors and shapes. 30 new words that are bright, bold, and beautiful. Let's begin. Red, R-E-D. Red is the color of apples, fire trucks, and stop signs. It's bright and grabs your attention. Blue, B-L-U-E. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. It's calm and cool. Green, G-R-E-N. Green is the color of grass and leaves. It often means nature or go on traffic lights. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow is sunny and happy, like bananas and sunflowers. Orange, O-R-A-N-G. Orange is both a color and a fruit. It's bright and cheerful. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple used to be worn by kings and queens. It's a royal color. Pink, P-N-K. Pink is soft and sweet. Think of flowers and cotton candy. Brown, B-R-O-W-N. Brown is earthy, like soil, tree bark, and bears. Black, B-L-A-C-K. Black is the color of the night sky. It's also very formal, like a tuxedo. White, W-H-I-T. White means clean, pure, and bright, like snow or clouds. Gray, G-R-A-Y. Gray is a mix of black and white. Elephants are gray. Gold, G-O-L-D. Gold shines like treasure in metals. Silver, S-L-V-E-R. Second place metal silver is shiny like the moon and spoons. Beige, B-E-I-G. Beige is a light, soft brown, often seen in home furniture. Turquoise, T-U-R-Q-U-O-A-S-E. Turquoise is a mix of blue and green, like tropical waters. Circle, C-R-C-L-E. A circle is round with no corners, like a ball or the moon. Square, S-Q-U-E-R-E. A square has 4 equal sides. Think of a window or a tile. Triangle, T-R-I-N-G-L-E. A triangle has 3 sides, like a slice of pizza. Rectangle, R-E-C-D-N-G-L-E. A rectangle is longer than it is tall, like a door or a book. Oval, O-V-L. An oval looks like an egg, stretched and smooth. Diamond, D-I-M-O-N-D. A diamond is shiny and special. It's also a shape in playing cards. Heart, H-E-A-R-T. A heart shape stands for love and kindness. Star, S-D-E-R. Stars have points and shine in the sky. Hexagon, H-E-X-A-G-O-N. A hexagon has 6 sides. Bees make hexagon-shaped honeycombs. Pentagon, P-N-T-A-G-O-N. A pentagon has 5 sides, like a home plate in baseball. Cube, C-U-B. A cube is a 3D square, like an ice cube or a dice. Cone, C-O-N-E. A cone is pointy at the top and round at the bottom, like an ice cream cone. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. A cylinder is like a can of juice, round and tall. Sphere, S-B-C-R-E. Soccer ball, a sphere, is a 3D circle, perfectly round, like a ball. Crescent, C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T. A crescent is a moon shape, thin and curved like a banana. Awesome job today. You've just learned 30 colorful and shapely English words. Learning with pictures and fun facts makes it easier to remember, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss episode 3. See you next time for more English words made fun and easy.